Two things stand out about the Queen: her constant sense of duty and her devotion to God. The Queen's faith was evident from an early age. At the beginning of World War II, 13-year-old Elizabeth handed her father, King George VI, a Christian poem which she later quoted in a public speech. On her 21st birthday, she dedicated her life to her people and asked for prayer.
God help me to make good my vow.
In 1953, over 38 million people tuned in for the coronation. Here the Queen publicly promised to maintain the laws of God and the true profession of the gospel. After the birth of her first grandchild, Peter Phillips, the Queen shared her hope that her family would follow Jesus, saying, "I would like nothing more than that my grandchildren should hold dear his ideals." In 2002, Her Majesty chose to boldly speak out about her faith, saying, "I know just how much I rely on my faith to guide me through the good times and the bad." The Queen's annual broadcast has become a much anticipated part of the Christmas Day traditions for families across the nation. In recent years, it's been a platform she's used to openly share her faith. 8.3 million of you tuned in 2012 and saw the Queen talk about God, who sent his son to serve, not to be served, and in doing so restored love and service to the centre of our lives in the person of Jesus Christ. And in her 2014 Christmas broadcast, she shared the gospel with the nation, saying, "For me, the life of Jesus Christ, the Prince of Peace, whose birth we celebrate today, is an inspiration and an anchor in my life. A role model of reconciliation and forgiveness, he stretched out his hands in love, acceptance and healing." And to that we say, Amen.